Paxton Roads.
Moses Roads.
And we're here in beautiful Lake Atitlan, Guatemala. As you can see right here, we're standing next to a volcano. There's also two others behind that volcano that you cannot see. One of the things that's really cool about this place is here's the town of San Pedro, and as you can see, there's a bunch of other little towns. San Pablo, San Juan, you can't see, San Marcos, and then Panajachel and Santiago.
We'll talk about how Lake Atitlan formed. First, there were two plates. One slid under the other and one went on top of the other. That created a lot of pressure and made the undersurface bubble up with magma, which caused a big supervolcano to come up. And then the supervolcano exploded, and the magma went everywhere, and the ash went to Florida, and that's how they knew it happened. And then because there was no more magma in the magma chamber, it collapsed on top of each other. And then there's water in this, and there's two rivers somewhere over there, I think in Pana, which is really cool. And that also got formed by the magma being bubbled up. This has happened 3 times with 3 different calderas. The biggest one on the outside was called Atitlan 1, and Atitlan 2 is a smaller one, and then Lake Atitlan is what we are at right now. This is really cool because we didn't even know that there was 3 different calderas. We thought there was only one caldera.
This map shows the string of volcanoes in Guatemala caused by the Cocos Plate going underneath the Caribbean Plate.
As you can see here, the Cocos Plate is sliding under the continental plate, and then the magma will rise, and that's how it creates volcanoes.
So here we are on the shores of Lake Atitlan with the volcanoes behind these guys. What's amazing to you about the idea of the caldera in Lake Atitlan?
It's pretty amazing. It's really cool to see how those volcanoes the size of all of this.
And it's not just the first one, right, Moses?
No, there was 3 of them.
So pretty amazing that this has happened 3 different times over the last 14 million years.
Each one bigger than the next.
Yeah, that's right. Each one, the first one was the biggest, then the second one, and then this now Lake Atitlan caldera.
Ooh.
Now, I understand you guys have actually climbed a volcano recently. Is that true?
Yeah, it's fun.
What was the name of that volcano? And did you see another volcano while you were up there?
Yes. Well, yeah, that's right. We saw Fuego volcano explode. Now we're going to show you some photos and pictures and videos of that trip.
We started at the base camp of Acatenango.
Then we started climbing up a very steep hills.
As soon as we got into the cloud, it was very lush and green.
We took lots of breaks, and there were many people hiking with us.
After we got above the cloud, the view was very pretty.
Then we started hiking again. And
Acatenango used to be active, but it no longer is.
We got to our base camp, and the show started when we saw Fuego volcano.
We thought it was just ash coming out, but then when the night came, the real show started, and we could see all of the different magma rocks coming out.
Throughout the night, there would be massive explosions. Sometimes they would be big, other times they would be small. This volcano explosion was one of my favorites. Even though it looks like it's going in slow motion, it was really going up really high and then going super fast down the mountain. In the morning, we had to wake up at 4:30 in the morning, and we climbed to the top of Acatenango and saw a very beautiful sunrise.